Okay guys, one of the common things you'll see when you come to Southeast Asia is the bum gun. Now what's the bum gun? That's basically a bidet, but handheld. And a couple things. It took me a day or two to get mastered. What you need to understand first and foremost is what kind of water pressure are you getting from this thing? Okay, so just to give you an idea. Shit, pretty bad. I mean, it's pretty strong. So you're gonna shoot the back of your butt to clean it up before you use toilet paper. And you'll be so much cleaner. But because of this pressure, you gotta watch out. Because if the pressure is too hard or too fierce, you can knock your balls into the next room. And if not, it's gonna be using your balls as like a punching bag. Okay, so you gotta have good aim because you don't want to go right through your legs. So it takes a little bit of practice. First things first, you want to check out the water pressure. It's pretty damn good. This one's strong. It's clean. It's tied directly to the toilet bowl. Cleans you up, freshens you up, and less toilet paper. And trust me, way better. If you ever had a bidet, there's no going back. It's a game changer. And that's what the bum gun does. So lesson learned, make sure you check the pressure first. I gotta spray the dang toilet. Too much for my demonstration. But look how clean that is. The bum gun. There you go. So this is a new deluxe version of a bidet. It's got seat warmers. You can control everything, including an air freshener and a ball tickler.
So this is a video of one of the barbershops
this
we
is
found
great.
online. Great reviews, excellent service. As you can see, everything is clean, everything is sanitized, everything is, as you can see, from the cut to the washing of the hair, everything is amazing. So you get all the names of the barbers here. Please come and visit them and keep following us, okay? Thank you. We'll see you soon. I have
What's your name?
here.
My name is Wood.
Yeah.
So that's his hair.
My name is Min.
Min.
Okay.
My name is Tin.
Okay.
My name is
Oh.
Yeah.
And your name?
Yeah, my name's Kan.
Yeah.
And your name? So I started off wanting to just do a shave with a straight edge razor, but decided to do the entire cleanup. Did the buzz cut, the fade, earwax removal, all that stuff for $14. What a deal.
So yeah, just giving you a basic idea of how people live here. Business is downstairs, and then apparently they live upstairs. Okay, so let me go back inside the barber. And this is the name of the barber shop right here that we're at right now. So I'm going back in to see how he's doing with the haircut and the shave. Oh.
Okay, so when she said whoa, I was wondering, is this a good one or a bad whoa? Turns out to be a good whoa, because she was really impressed with the cut already. And it's the first time I've actually seen a buzz cut and a fade being done on myself in the back of my head, because nobody's ever recorded me before. And it's just awesome to see the level of work and the professionalism of these guys. Look how young this dude is. And I knew he was going to be a good barber, because take a look at his hair. Now, the prices are incredibly cheap. And a good rule of thumb is $1 is equal to about 25,000 dong. Just keep it simple. It fluctuates daily, which is weird because, you know, the strength of the dollar compared to the dong is working in our favor. After the cut, went upstairs, got a shampoo, conditioner, and scalp massage. This is also the lady that did my ear cleaning for the hairs and removal of ear wax, which I was told by Vanessa that there was a lot of wax that came out, which is, you know, amazing. Never had that done before, so I'm going to continue to do that service. Went back downstairs and started the process of getting the straight edge razor shave. First time ever. You know, you're really putting trust into somebody else's hands. You have to trust that they know what they're doing, and trust the process, trust the barber. And so got that, you know, warm shaving cream applied to my face, and here he goes with the straight edge razor. And all the razors are brand new, so once they're done with you, they, you know, put on a new one for somebody else. But look at that. I mean, you really got to trust the process. And this guy, you know, I guess because I'm Western American, so my facial hair is a little bit rough and stronger than, let's say, Asian hair. And so, you know, he had to do a couple of passes, and did a great job though, and really fantastic work. Now these guys, like I said earlier in the video, showed earlier in the video, they have over 700 plus reviews on Yelp, all 5 stars. Just, you know, everybody raves about them. And we were referred to them by one of the travel agents that we were working with when we were buying our tickets to get from Saigon to Da Nang. So all in all, I am just so impressed with the level of service work and, you know, skill set of these guys. So fresh and so clean, for real. And since then, we've moved on to Da Nang, which is about 500 miles north. And I've gotten a haircut, shave as well. And it cost me $7 here in Da Nang, so it's even cheaper. $7 includes $3 in tip, and I over tip like all Hawaiians do. We're too generous sometimes, but hey, that's how we roll.